Thank you for your purchase. We are truly honored to be a part of your outdoor space. As your fire feature is being built or moving through its final finishing stages, the next step is getting your item shipped and delivered to your location. In this video, we will explain the shipping process step by step and provide important information that you need to know. When ordering from Lumacast, please allow up to an additional week for transit. Before creating, every one of our beautifully crafted fire features goes through a rigorous quality control inspection process to test the burner systems before they are meticulously hand-packed to ensure safe delivery. Our shipping crates are partially made of recyclable materials to reduce our environmental footprint. You will receive an email with your tracking number and carrier information. Our carrier will contact you to schedule the final delivery once your product arrives at the regional distribution hub. Please make sure to provide your best email and phone number when placing your order with Lumacast to facilitate easy communication. Our fire features are made of high-quality GFR concrete, which helps reduce weight compared to traditional concrete. However, they are still substantial in weight as the concrete shell is roughly 1 1/4 inch thick. Most fire features can be lifted with 2 to 4 sets of capable hands. Note that the weight listed on your product includes the crate and all components, not just the fire feature. Some of our larger fire features require a forklift or loading dock for delivery, as their size exceeds the capability of a standard liftgate. Once delivery is scheduled, please plan to be present to meet the driver, unless you have a representative who can inspect and accept the delivery on your behalf. Our LTL shipping partners will deliver your crate curbside or at the first point of reasonable access to your property as determined by your driver. At that time, you will be able to inspect the crate and its contents for any visible damage. Lumacast crates come with shock sensors to detect mishandling during transit. If triggered, you will notice the shock sensor turned red. Please document this with photos and notify us immediately, preferably while the driver is still present. Once you call, a Lumacast representative will assist you. If your crate and contents are in good condition, you can sign off on delivery and your movers can then disassemble the crate and move to its final location. You are responsible for unpacking, disposing of packaging materials, and positioning of your item into its final location. Be sure to have the required moving personnel and experienced contractors ready to install your Lumacast fire feature to ensure all installations and connections are secured for optimal performance. For any questions or concerns about shipping, uncrating, or setup, email us at info@lumacast.com or call 888-710-1026. Thank you for choosing Lumacast, the fire feature experience refined.